The home button is another shortcut in your system. The icon looks like a house. When you take the mouse over, you can see the link for dashboard and your personal set preferences. You can be in any NetSuite page, but when you click the home button, it gets you back to the original starting spot. The Create New menu icon appears in the header when you log into NetSuite. As a NetSuite user, if you are regular to accessing the master or transaction forms, reports or saved searches, you can create the hyperlink of that page under this option directly. Instead of navigating through multiple menu paths, you can click on Create Menu icon in the header. Click on Personalize button and select the appropriate transaction. You can add or remove the hyperlinks from this page. The list of available hyperlinks to the user are determined by the user role and permissions. We all look for help when using the software if there are any new terminology used in the software or for any field definitions. Sometimes the documentation is not detailed or the concepts have not been explained with proper examples. The NetSuite Help Center provides a wealth of wisdom and can be considered the information hub of NetSuite. If you are stumped and looking for answers, please use the NetSuite Help Center. From your dashboard or from anywhere in the NetSuite, click on the Help button in the header to enter the Help Center. A new window will open displaying the image above. Once you are there, you will find context-specific instructions for many topics. You will also have the ability to enter search terms, open printable PDF guides, watch informative videos, and more. NetSuite Help Center provides NetSuite Glossary, Help Guide, Suite Answers, training videos, user guides, page and field help.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sundar's Oracle NetSuite Cloud ERP Foundation e-learning series. We have come to the end of Volume 1, Module 4. In this module, I have taken you through a lot of NetSuite key features which can help in increasing the productivity of NetSuite operations. So let me summarize what I have taken you through in this module. We have seen what is the navigation center in NetSuite and how it is associated to different roles. I have also taken you through the default roles which are available in the NetSuite and how they are associated to the navigation centers. Then I have taken you through the different header elements which are available in a NetSuite page. For example, this includes the icon for identifying the performance issues in NetSuite, how to do a global search within NetSuite, creating menus for frequently accessed master transaction forms, saved searches and reports, and how to access NetSuite Help Center from any page, navigating menu bar, how to access recent records without navigating through multiple menu paths, and creating shortcuts and how to access the home button from any page. Then for each role, I also explained the concept of default dashboard and portlets which are available in the system and how to personalize the home dashboard layout for different devices. After learning how to personalize the dashboard layout, then I have taken you through how to customize the portlets based on the user requirements. And I have also taught you how to self-audit your NetSuite account details for security purposes. If you are doing multiple functions in an organization and mapped to different roles, there is a very high possibility that you will be jumping from one module to another module and navigating through multiple menu paths. Instead of remembering multiple menu paths, we saw how NetSuite allows you to mark recently accessed records and store the hyperlink details for frequently accessed master or transaction forms. I've also taken you through what is a global search in NetSuite and how does it help the NetSuite user to search for a master or a transaction data. Likewise, we also went through what is a quick search in NetSuite and also the difference between global search and quick search. And finally, I have taken you through how to access the NetSuite home button from anywhere and how to access the NetSuite Help Center. Please provide your feedback or comments and I'll be very happy to receive it. Like always, if you have any clarification, please write to my email ID and I will respond to you back. With this, we have come to the end of Module 4 and let's now move to Module 5 of Volume 1.